So, grieving sucks. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Marty, and today I want to show you how to make this. Today we're going to be making a shadow box memory shirt. And people usually make these to honor someone who isn't with us anymore. I'm making this as a present to give to my grandmother because about 3 months ago my grandfather passed away. And so I figured it might be a good idea to give it as a memento, give her something that reminds her of him. So make sure you watch all the way to the end because hopefully she like it, but you'll see for yourself. So without any further ado, let's hop into this thing. Okay, so here's what you need. Tape, a glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, something to write with, a shadow box. This is 11 by 14 inches. Oil-based paint pens, your mirrored design for your glass. If everything went well, there should be a link in the description where you can download this template. A generic one without this little bit right here. Cardboard, and of course the shirt that you want to use. Okay, first you want to take your shadow box and you want to remove the backing. There should be an inner frame on the inside of your shadow box. It should look like this. You want to take this and you want to remove it. Okay, next you want to take your cardboard and your inner frame and you want to trace the inside onto your cardboard and cut it out. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, next you want to grab your shirt and your cardboard piece and you want to place the cardboard inside the shirt, making sure it's centered with the collar and the shoulders. Next, you want to trace right here on the inside of the collar and cut it out. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, next you want to put your cardboard back inside your shirt just to make sure everything lined up correctly and you don't see any cardboard right here in the collar. Then you want to take your scissors and you want to cut about 1 inch away from where your cardboard meets all the way around your shirt and cut it out. This way the fabric can be folded over and glued and you won't see any glue on your shirt. Let's hop into it. Okay, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, next we want to grab our shirt, fold the bottom, and then flip it over. Okay, once it's flipped over, you want to cut off the excess fabric on the back of your shirt. Make sure you cut below the collar hole that you cut earlier, and don't be an idiot like me and cut the entire thing off. So I'll fix that later, but while I have you, I'll show you the next step. Okay, once you finish cutting, making sure you leave, your nice chunk of fabric right here. Now it's time to start gluing. And what we want to do is we want to glue right here on our cardboard and then fold our fabric over. And do that for the entirety of the shirt. Okay, let's hop into it. Once you finish gluing, you should have something that looks like this. Alright, now I know it looks bad on the back, but flip this bad boy around and boom. Looks pretty good on the front. Alright, so now let's do the next step. Okay, next we want to grab our shirt and our shadow box frame and we want to lay it on top of our shirt, making sure the shirt fits flush inside of this frame. Now you see this little excess right here? We want to mark it with our pen and then we want to cut it off. This way our shirt will fit flush inside of our frame. Okay, once you finish cutting, you should have something that looks like this. You see how the shirt fits flush inside the frame? Okay, now let's head on to the next step. Okay, next you want to grab your design and a little piece of tape, and you want to tape it to the top of your design. Sticky side out. Next, you want to grab your glass and you want to lay it down on your design, making sure that your design is fully centered before laying it down all the way. Okay, once it's centered to your liking, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, next, you want to take your paint pens and you want to trace and color in all of the gray lettering that is on this design. Be careful not to get any on the rest of the glass. Okay, so I'm gonna finish tracing and shading this all in. Once you do that, you want to let it dry, and once it's dry, you're done. Just put everything back in the shadow box and you're done. So let's head over and see what the finished product look like. Okay, y'all, so here's the final product. I think it turned out really well. Now, if you already made this or plan on making this for a loved one, let me know in the comment section below. Now, let's head over and see if my grandmother liked it.
Oh, do you like it? Yes. Ain't that sweet? And that's Daddy's shirt.
Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Now, if you like this video, please hit that like and that share button and give us a follow. Now, stay tuned to the very end for something near and dear to my heart. So like that, this will be the end. Peace. Check this out.
Marquise? Oh, Marquise, can you give your grandfather a call once I hang up?